Industrial facilities, commercial and hospital buildings are large users of air conditioning systems or process heating or cooling. In most cases, these buildings operate their own independent cooling or heating production systems. Usually, these systems use as refrigerants ozone-depleting substances that also contribute to global warming. However, there is a more sustainable option: energy districts. What are they? An energy district is a large-scale hot or cold thermal energy production plant integrated with a distribution system. As such, the added capacity of the small individual chillers is then replaced by a central cooling plant that provides chilled water to the air conditioning systems of the buildings connected to the district. In the case of an urban cooling district, each building independent cooling plant is replaced with the chilled water supplied by the larger centralized and remote water cooling plant. The chilled water produced by the district is then distributed through pipelines from the cooling plant to the heat transfer stations at each building connection point. Then inside the building, the cold water is moved from the heat exchanger to the air handling units on each floor. Finally, at each air handling unit, low temperature is transferred to the airstream that is then distributed through ductworks to the occupied spaces. In Colombia, energy districts can use various sources of alternative, renewable, or residual energy, making them a sustainable solution for thermal energy production that also provides added benefits to the end user. For instance, in dense urban environments, energy districts help alleviate congestion of electric transmission and distribution grids by optimizing the use of locally available energy sources. Energy districts also offer cost savings by eliminating the need to install individual chillers or boilers, thereby reducing expenses related to initial investment, operation, and maintenance. Additionally, they offer environmental benefits, such as the reduction of noise pollution, the emission of polluting gases, and ozone-depleting substances. Centralized heat and cold production frees up rooftop and basement spaces previously occupied by mechanical rooms, allowing them to be repurposed as green areas, enhancing design flexibility, or increasing the area of usable spaces available for sale. In developing countries, energy districts open up new employment opportunities as their design, construction, operation, and maintenance require competent and skilled personnel to guarantee the quality of the service. The energy district strategy contributes to urban sustainability. For more information, visit us at www.distritoenergetico.com.